Diary! Back of the plane, asshole.
Diary. We've come to the humanitarian ward. Apparently these boots come with refugees climbing up off of them. And Janine's now walking away in disgust. Diary. Day 7. Apparently this is where the poor people shop. They can't even afford real cars. They have whoever that is. There's a store over there behind me. Let me get it. It's right there, back there. Maison Assaline. I'm not familiar with it, but apparently it's very nice toilet paper. There's our Armani Dubai, and over there is Louis Vuitton, and Janine is not impressed. Or they apparently have a television station here. There's Channel right behind me. Let's take a walk. Where are we going? There's Zorro Piano, or that's an L. Loro Piano, Van Cleef and Arpels. I understand they were successors to Simon and Garfunkel. Emeraldiel, isn't that the guy that goes bam when he throws stuff in a Esmeraldo Zegna? Emerald Zegna? He goes bam, right? Right. Okay. These people are photographing. Yep, she's a butterfly. Gonna need bigger wigs to get that bitch off the ground. Diary. Day 17. I haven't been able to find... I don't even know what to say about this store. Again, apparently I'm not allowed in there. Off-white. Alright, whatever. Diary. I'm confused. Right next to the store, off-white, is this store here, which appears very, very not so much. And I think there's actually some racial tension here, and I'm actually going to leave. Diary. I hear the recent movie, Bohemian Rhapsody, about this gentleman. Recently won a Golden Globe. The biopic about Queen. I believe his first name was Alexander, and I wasn't aware he was Scottish, but however, I look forward to whatever they do at the Academy Awards. Thank you. Diary. Jesus tap dancing Christ. What the hell are these things? Do you wear them on your feet? They don't look like moon shoes. Nobody on the moon would be stupid enough to wear these. Thank God they didn't choose all night long. God, they did! The subtlety is ironic compared to the giant pillar of excess right behind all of this. Thank God all night long is gone. Day 9. God, still going all night long. Nice earrings. All night. Smells delicious out here. They timed the food with this show. I'm hungry again. Shouldn't be. That is effed up. What?
Diary!